From reading to retelling, incorporating summarizing skills into daily reading. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to another episode in our series about English language learning. Today, we're focusing on a crucial skill, summarizing. But we're not just learning about summarizing. We're going to discuss how to incorporate summarizing skills into your daily reading. By the end of this video, you'll be able to improve your reading comprehension by identifying main ideas, supporting details, and transforming these into concise summaries. Summarizing is an essential tool for comprehension. It enables you to distill a large amount of information into its most crucial points. When you summarize, you're not just understanding the text, but you're also actively engaging with it. Summarizing pushes you to identify the main ideas and supporting details and to determine what is essential and what is not. Now let's discuss the steps to create an effective summary. 1. Read the text thoroughly. Familiarize yourself with the content. Understand the flow and get a general sense of the text. 2. Identify the main ideas. What is the author trying to communicate? What are the primary messages? Note these down. 3. Find the supporting details. These are points or examples that back up the main ideas. They give more context and depth. 4. Write the summary. In your own words, retell the main ideas and supporting details in a concise manner. Remember, a summary should be shorter than the original text. How do you make summarizing a part of your daily reading routine? 1. Choose a text. This could be a news article, a chapter from a book, or a blog post. The aim is to read diverse texts to expose yourself to different styles of writing and ideas. 2. Summarize after reading. Once you finish reading, take a moment to write down the main ideas and supporting details. This will help consolidate your understanding. 3. Summarize periodically. For longer texts, it's helpful to summarize periodically. After every section or chapter, pause and jot down what you understood. 4. Review your summaries. Reviewing your summaries after a day or two can strengthen your comprehension and memory of the text. Summarizing is a skill that improves with practice. The more you do it, the better you'll become at picking out main ideas and supporting details, and at distilling these into concise summaries. So, make it a habit. Every time you read something, take a moment to summarize it in your own words. With time, you will see improvements in your understanding and retention of the material. That's it for today, folks. We hope this video has been helpful and enlightening. Summarizing might seem like extra work initially, but once it becomes a habit, it can dramatically enhance your reading comprehension skills. So start incorporating summarizing into your daily reading routine, and soon you'll see the benefits. Until next time, keep reading, keep learning, and keep summarizing.